7 amazing things dry fasting does to your body. Science is just starting to explain this. Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you stop eating, and even stop drinking water for a while? It might sound surprising, but your body doesn't just get weak and shut down. Instead, it starts to adapt in powerful ways. Your body begins to make its own water, burn fat for energy, clean and repair itself. And scientists are still trying to fully understand how all of this works. In today's video, we're going to break down 7 amazing things that happen in your body during dry fasting, in a simple way that anyone can understand. Some of these might surprise you. What is dry fasting? Before we begin, let's make this very simple. Dry fasting means not eating food, not drinking water, for a short period of time. This has been practiced for a long time in different parts of the world, especially for spiritual and health reasons. Now, more people are becoming curious about it because they want to understand what happens inside the body. Can it have benefits? How does the body survive without water? The truth is, your body is very smart. When you stop giving it food and water, it doesn't panic right away. Instead, it starts using what it already has inside. So let's go into the 7 amazing things your body starts doing. 1. Your body starts making its own water. This is one of the most surprising things. When you are dry fasting, your body can actually make small amounts of water on its own. How? When your body burns fat for energy, it also creates a little bit of water. This is called metabolic water. Think of it like this. Your body is using stored fat not just for energy, but also to help keep you going when you're not drinking. Even some animals in the desert survive this way. This shows something very important. Your body is designed to adapt. 2. Your body starts burning fat for energy. When you stop eating, your body first uses stored sugar for energy. But after a while, that runs out. So what happens next? Your body switches to burning fat. This is a natural process. Your body says, okay, no food is coming in, let's use what we already have. So it begins to break down stored fat and turn it into energy. This is why many people connect fasting with fat loss, energy changes. It's simply your body switching fuel sources. 3. Your body starts cleaning itself. Now this is very powerful. Your body has a natural way of cleaning itself at the cell level. This process is called autophagy. Don't worry about the big word. Here's what it means in simple terms. Your body starts removing damaged or old cell parts. Then it recycles them. It's like a cleanup crew inside your body. Imagine cleaning your room. You throw away what you don't need. You organize what's useful. That's what your body is doing on the inside. Scientists are very interested in this process because it helps cells stay healthy. 4. Your body may reduce inflammation. Inflammation is how your body reacts when something is wrong. For example, swelling, pain, irritation. Some inflammation is normal, but too much of it over time is not good. During fasting, the body may begin to calm down some of these reactions. Focus on repair instead of constant activity. Because you're not eating, your body gets a kind of rest period. And during rest, the body can focus more on healing. 5. Your body starts using stored materials. Your body stores many things in fat. Not just energy, but also other substances. When fat is broken down during fasting, your body begins to process and remove some of these stored materials. Your liver and kidneys work to handle this. This is why fasting is sometimes connected with the idea of cleansing or detox. But remember, your body already has natural systems for this. Fasting simply changes how and when they work. 6. Your mind may feel clearer. Many people say something interesting during fasting. They say, I feel more clear, more focused. Why does this happen? When your body burns fat, it creates something called ketones. These are used by the brain for energy. Some people find that this type of energy feels steady, calm, focused. So instead of feeling heavy or sluggish, they feel more alert. This doesn't happen to everyone the same way, but it's commonly reported. 7. Your body enters survival mode, smart mode. This is where everything comes together. When you are fasting, your body goes into what we can call smart survival mode. But don't think of this as something bad. It's actually your body becoming more efficient, more focused, more protective. Your body starts to save energy. Use stored resources wisely, support important systems. This shows how powerful and intelligent your body really is. Summary. Let's quickly go over what we learned. During dry fasting, your body may 1. Make small amounts of its own water. 2. Burn stored fat for energy. 3. Clean and recycle damaged cells. 4. Calm certain inflammation responses. 5. Process stored materials in fat. 6. Improve mental clarity for some people. 7. Enter a smart survival mode. All of this shows one powerful truth. Your body is built to adapt. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple and powerful videos on dry fasting, health, and natural living. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried dry fasting? Or are you thinking about it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.